Hello everyone, happy Friday. It's finally here, Friday. One more week of school and it's summer break. It's really nice outside. My plan was to do our lesson outside, but it's still a little windy. My papers are flying everywhere, and on the microphone for the camera, you just hear the wind. It's kind of annoying. So, decided we'll try again next week. Change it up again today. We're going to do corn. Plus, it's probably a good thing too, because our plant is getting very tall, and we need to plant him in the ground soon, like today, for sure. So let's get started. Corn. You have your journal sheet and your back side of your journal sheet. Colors we're going to use today. We have black and brown for our dirt. We're going to use orange with the brown for our pot, light green, dark green, and yellow for our plant. So that's 6 colors. So go get those now. And let's start. Today, Friday, 6/12/20. Talking about corn. The last time we met was day 10. Okay? That was 8 days ago. To my imaginary line, I have 0 plus 8. 0, I have 0 corn. I'm going to add 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much corn do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This column is done. I go to my next one. It's just one by itself. I have 1 piece of corn. 1. There's my answer. 18. Today is day 18. Corn is a vegetable. Temperature today is 74 degrees. Last class was 84 degrees. What's warmer? What's the bigger number? 74 today or 84 degrees last class? 74 or 84? What's the bigger number? 84, last class. So the last class was warmer. By how much? Well, we have to subtract. We have to do takeaway. 84, take away 74. My first column, I have 4, take away 4. I have 4 corn, and I'm going to eat or take away 4 corn. So 4 corn, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many did I eat or take away? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corn are left? 0. Next column, 8, take away 7. I have 8 corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take away or eat 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many corn are left? 1. So I have no more columns. I erase my imaginary line, and I could find out that today is 10 degrees cooler than last class. The weather outside, it's nice now. They're expecting some showers, some cloudiness a little later on. So depending on when you're doing this, it could be sunny, it could be cloudy, or it could be rainy, depending on where you live. All right, so either one of those are fine. Plant. So look how tall our plant is getting, my gosh. So, I don't even know if I could show you with the camera while holding it. the height of our plant with the ruler. But I can tell you one thing. Does that work? It goes above our ruler. So our ruler is 12 inches. On top of here, I actually already measured it. It's 2 more inches. So the height of our plant is 14 inches. So our plant last time we met was just above 5 inches. So in a matter of 8 days, just over a week, our plant already grew 9 inches. Crazy. 0 flowers. We have 0 corn so far. The dirt is moist, so it's wet. Am I gonna water it today? No. So when this corn, when we put it in the dirt and it grows and starts producing corn, you're gonna get these stalks right here. And that's how you get your corn. They break it off and then they sell it at the store. Alright, so if you need to copy the information now. I'm going to copy it onto here. So if you need a copy it from the sheet, you can pause the video now. And if you pause the video, welcome back. I just finished our journal sheets. And now on to the coloring sheet. So let's take another look at our plants. We have these tall, long leaves on the top. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 leaves. And we have this thin stem right now. Our dirt is brown and black, mostly black. And in our pot, we're gonna do orange with brown on top. Our stem, we're gonna start with a yellow. Then I'll go light green throughout the whole thing. And then our veins, which let's see if you can see. This leaf got bent. But if I put it in the sunlight, you can see that dark line. That's the vein. So we're gonna do that a dark green. So let's see if we get it started. We're gonna do our pot first. We're gonna do our orange. Now I'm going to go over it with my orange, or I'm sorry, my brown. Let's go over the orange. Don't worry about these green spots. They were just scrap paper that I had laying around the house, and I'd rather use a scrap paper up first before I use new paper. Alright, there's our pot. Now I'm going to do my dirt. I'm going to do brown. Now remember, it's moist, so it's going to be darker, like a black, more black than brown. It should look something like that. So we're done with brown and black. Now, yellow. This is going to be that bottom portion of the stem. Just like that. And now the rest, we're going to go all the way to the top of the paper. Before I get to the top of my paper, I'm going to draw that leaf that's sticking up really straight. And draw it like that. The really long leaf that's bent is going to come out this way, and then it's going to go down. Then I have this small little leaf over here. Then I have a little higher up another leaf that's bent. Goes out just a little bit, and then it goes all the way down, touching the top of the pot. Now that I sketched it out with my colored pencil, I'm now going to go and fill in all these spots that are white still. Make it look a little more sharper. Looks something like that. Now I'm going to get my dark green for my veins, and just to give it a little more touch of detail. I'm going really light over here. It's going to be a little darker because that's where it bent. I'm going really soft. And now I'm going to press a little harder, and it's a straight line for that vein over there. That straight line right over there. I have a straight line right in the center. That plant there. And on this side, you can't really see it because it's curled up a little. That's another straight line right there. And that's how it should look. So we finished our journal sheets. We finished our coloring sheets. And if you're done with everything else, enjoy the rest of your Friday. If you still have assignments to do, start it now after this. Quick thing, my recycling and other greenhouse classes, this will be the last assignment for me for the year. After this assignment, next week, continue to work on with your division teachers. My division, we're going to continue doing our plants for the next 4 more school days. And then it's summer break. So for my recycling and my greenhouse classes, you guys did a fantastic job. Some of the work was just fantastic. Really, really great stuff. So you should be proud of yourselves. It was a really, really great job you guys did. My division kids, the 5 of you, you know who you are. You guys are doing a fantastic job too, but we'll continue into next week. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a safe and fun weekend. If you do go out, make sure you're wearing a mask, and I will talk to you next week. Have a good one.